Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the TL MR6400 with the Archer MR200, and let's look at what we can find here. So both got the same network type, also both got the MR200 is better for the LD bands, the 3G is better for MR6400. So when we are going to look here on the Wi-Fi standard, the 200 is better, and also it's better for the Wi-Fi speed, because when you're going to look here on it, you see that it got better signal rate. So 300 for 2.4 and 400 for 3.45 GHz. And this one right here got only 4.4 GHz. So this is a huge important thing, right? That you don't have a 5 GHz for the 6400. Now, then you're gonna have the antennas are the same, the LAN ports. Now this is a con, only because if you have PC or laptop that you want to play games on, you want to find a router from Archer, even from the TP-Link, that has an Ethernet port, another port that is going to only 10 to 100 MBs upload and download. I highly recommend to find something like that. Then you see the reception sensitivity and reception sensitivity for 2 GHz and 5 GHz. So couldn't, like, it's like, okay, when I just see it right here for 2.4, you're gonna have 11G. Yeah, the sensitivity is a little bit different here, but primarily the thing here about both of these is that you have 5G, you have 5 GHz for the MR200 you don't have with the MR6400. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.